So hey guys, welcome back. So today we will discuss about glitch website. Okay, glitch website. So in with the help of this website, we can easily live our any project with the help of this website. Be very easily and totally free. Okay, so we can deploy our small website like React website, Python website. Okay, we can easily deploy with the help of this example. This website glitch.com. So first I will create I was creating this simple main.py and creating one API here. Okay, this will simply print the hello mind blowing to the server, and I will simply creating I was create this also. Here is uh, the needed packages, okay, for this project, and this is the start.ss file. I am so when I am run this project, when I am run this project, so I am upload this project in GitHub. Check here. Git status. There are some files. I am added all the files into GitHub and commit, initial commit and push. Now you can see here GitHub project. Okay, initial commit 37 minutes. So we will. So this is also working. Check now. If I run this project, okay, if I run this project, this will simply running, and wait a second, fetching this endpoint. Okay, this is working. Wait a second. Wait a second. So yes, now this is okay. So take a load. So we are we are live this endpoint, like if there is also existing Swagger, right? We can live this endpoint with the help of glitch website. Okay. So here is one file start.sh. This needs glitch.com needs this .sh file because there is two commands installing packages and running our server. So the glitch.com automatically find this file and run this commands and run my project automatically. Okay, and fetching the new changes also. So how we can import our library here? So you can simply log in this website. Okay, using your email. So after that, I am creating new project. So there is a simple one, hello website, hello node website, hello react website. Okay, so so how you can import your GitHub repository? Go to the find more. Yeah, okay, and in the below you can paste into here your GitHub, your Git. Okay, I am copy this one and pasted in here. Second, copy this one, pasted into, okay, and click on let's go. This will automatically fetches all the files into this GitHub repository. Okay, this is importing my repository, and this will take some time. And our GitHub code is here. Okay, so please wait a few seconds more. This is reconnecting, and you can see here main.py, requirement.txt, and start.ss. Go to the terminal. Go to the terminal. So it will not find the requirement.txt file. Why? I think there is spelling mistake. Maybe requirements. Yes, we need to change here requirements. Okay, when I am saving this file, so now this will UV command not found. So no matching distribution requirement of txt. Yes, yes. I think this will not take only pip. We need to use pip3 and choose click on save button. Now I think this will running. Yes, this will collecting FastAPI and Juvicon install these packages, and after that it will run this command also. Okay, this will automatically runs. Just wait a second. This needs to be installation. So wait a few more seconds, and our project is automatic. Okay, so this will run server, this will run server, and this will automatically creating my. So now, what is the live URL? You can click on the share button, and this is the live site URL. If anybody see this code, you can share this code link also. Anybody see these files? Okay. So the live URL is this one. I am clicking on this. Now we are fetching this endpoint. Okay, our project is live now. So getting the docs, getting the docs. This will fetching the FastAPI swagger. So this website makes two easy steps to live your FastAPI project. So I hope you will getting you will know about how you can deploy our FastAPI projects here. You can deploy your any project like Django project, Flask project, React project, Node project. You can simply import your GitHub repository and solve some errors like me. Okay, and your project is live after running your server. Okay, so first I will facing some errors like our simple pip is not working here. That's why I'm putting it here. Pip 3 for you. So now I am I will meet you in the next session. So now bye bye and please leave a comment. Okay. So if you need any topic, if you need a video on any topic, please comment on this video. I will create a video on that topic also. Okay. So bye bye guys.